Dear students, now I am going to solve problem on velocity, potential and stream function. The statement is like this: if for a two-dimensional potential flow, the velocity potential is given by phi equal to x of 2y minus 1, determine the velocity at the point 4 comma 5. Determine also the value of stream function at the point P. So this is the given statement. So in this case, only we know the velocity potential function, that is what phi equal to x of 2y minus 1, and they have given the points x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. For this case, we need to find out velocity and also the value of stream function. First we have to find out velocity. Okay, so we need to find out velocity at the given points. We should know formula for that. Okay, so the velocity components in the direction of x and y are: in the x direction we know the formula u equals minus dou phi by dou x. So I know the value of velocity potential function. Substitute that value here and do the differentiation with respect to x. I will get the u equal to 1 minus 2y. They have given the y value, that is 5, and substitute here and you will get the u equal to minus 9 unit per second. And velocity component in y direction is v equal to minus dou phi by dou y, and again substitute the phi value and do the differentiation with respect to y. I will get the v equal to minus 2x, and I know the value of x. Substitute here, you will get the v value. So once if you get the u and v value, write the what vector form, that is ui plus vj plus wk. Here only we have only two dimensional, so for that reason ui plus vj. What is the value of u? Minus 9, and v value is what? Minus 8. Substitute that value here, so I will get the velocity vector equal to minus 9i minus 8j. And after that I need to find out resultant velocity for the given point. So that is equal to under square root of u square plus v square. Already I know the value of u and v. Substitute here and I will get the value and then I will get the value 12 minus 12.04 units per second. So that is the what velocity value for the given points. So then second case is we need to find out value of stream function at the given points 4 comma 5. So before going to find out the value of stream function, first I need to find out stream function. Unless and until it would be difficult to find out the value of stream function. So for that reason I have to find out what stream function. Okay, so to find out stream function, I know the velocity components in x and y direction. So in x direction, dou psi by dou y equal to minus u, and in then in x direction dou psi by dou x equal to v. Okay, sorry, in y direction dou psi by dou y equal to what? Minus u, and in x direction dou psi by dou x equal to v. I know the u value because already you have done differentiation with respect to x, that is what u. So that is what 1 minus 2y. Okay, substitute that value here, you will get the dou psi by dou y, that is you can call it as equation number 1, and dou psi by dou x equal to v. Also and also I know that value. Substitute here and you can call it as what? Equation number 2. So out of that two equation you can take any one, either one or second one. Okay, so I will consider here equation 1 because first I need to find out what stream function. So for that reason I will take equation 1 and integrate on equation number 1 with respect to y. Okay, so therefore integrate dou psi by integration dou psi by dou y equal to integration of 2y minus 1. If I do the integration with respect to y, I will get psi equal to y square by 2 minus y plus c. Here 2 get cancelled. Psi equal to y square minus y plus c. Can call as equation number 3. Still I have not get complete stream function. because here constant of integration, here I want to find out the constant of integration. Here in this case, this constant of integration is not a function of y, because you have done integration with respect to y, so for that reason it is not a function of y, but it is a function of x. So for that reason, what I will do, I will do integrate the equation 3. I will do differentiation on equation 3 with respect to x. So therefore dou psi by dou x equal to dou c by dou x, because y square minus y get becomes what, 0, because with respect to x we are doing. So for that reason y square equal to 0, y equal to 0. So therefore dou psi by dou x equal to dou c by dou x. So here I know the value of dou c by dou x. Okay, so substitute that value here. I think that is minus 2x. Minus 2x equal to dou c by dou x. Okay, so I want here c value. So for that reason, once again I will do integrate on the above equation. I will get the c value minus x square. Substitute this value in the equation number 3. So I will get the stream function. Then I will get the stream function, that is psi equal to y square minus y minus x square. So in this stream function you have to substitute the given point, that is 4 comma 5. Substitute here, and then finally I will get the psi value, that is 4 unit per second. Thank you.